Tonight, we're turning simple, affordable ingredients into a comforting feast that requires only one pan. Welcome to AI Easy Recipes. Get ready to discover how easy it is to create a healthy, satisfying meal without breaking the bank or spending hours in the kitchen. Let's make dinner magic happen. Let's get cooking with Gemini. Hi Gemini. I would like to prepare a main entree for 4 people. I will be using 1 pot to cook this meal. My guests have no allergies. I would love the recipe to be comfort food. Some things to keep in mind. The meal needs to be healthy and nutritious. Feel free to include chicken. Please also include a shopping list. Looking forward to tasting our spicy meal.
Hey there! With this wind howling outside, all I want is something warm and comforting. And guess what? I've got the perfect thing. A 1-pot spicy chicken and rice with a little Latin twist. It's super budget-friendly, packed with good stuff, and you can totally tweak the spice to your liking. So here's how we're gonna make it. We're calling it Spicy Chicken and Rice 1-Pot Comfort. It'll serve about 4 people. Prep takes just 15 minutes. Cook time is around 30 minutes. So from start to finish, you're looking at about 45 minutes. All right, let's gather our goodies. Here's what you'll need. A tablespoon of olive oil, 1 yellow onion chopped up, 2 bell peppers, 1 red, 1 green, also chopped, 2 cloves of garlic minced, a pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 can of diced tomatoes, just dump the whole can in there, 1 can of black beans, rinsed and drained, 1 can of corn drained, a cup of long-grain rice, give it a rinse first, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili powder. You decide how spicy you want it. A teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, salt and pepper to your taste, some fresh cilantro chopped for a nice garnish, lime wedges for serving, and if you're feeling extra spicy, a jalapeno finely chopped is totally optional. Now let's get cooking. Here's what we're gonna do. First, we're gonna sauté the veggies. Heat up that olive oil in a big pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Toss in the onion and bell peppers and cook till they're nice and soft, about 5 minutes. Then, add the minced garlic and cook for another minute until it smells amazing. Next, we're gonna brown the chicken. Add those chicken pieces to the pot and cook till they're browned on all sides. Yum! Now for the fun part. Add everything else. The diced tomatoes, black beans, corn, rinsed rice, chicken broth, chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. If you're going for that extra kick, throw in the jalapeno now. Bring it all to a boil, then turn the heat down low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the rice is cooked and the chicken is nice and tender. Give it a stir every now and then so it doesn't stick. Time to taste and tweak. Give it a taste and add more chili powder, salt, or pepper if you think it needs it. Fluff the rice with a fork. And finally, let's make it look pretty. Serve it up hot, sprinkle with fresh cilantro, and add a lime wedge on the side. Perfect! Find the full shopping list, the recipe, cook time, and some handy nutritional tips in the description below. Enjoy your delicious and budget-friendly meal.
Thank you, Gemini. Let me know in the comments what recipe you'd like to see Gemini share next. Enjoy your delicious creation, and see you in the next recipe. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes.